Will Smith faces legal actions over the in-production biopic of King Richard. Will Smith is sued over the currently in-production biopic of Serena Williams and Venus Williams' father, Richard. Well, according to the court documents, there are reports that TW3 Entertainment and Power Move Multimedia Inc. are suing not only Will Smith's company Overbrook Entertainment but Warner Bros. Entertainment and Richard Williams himself. As the documents state that the defendants are accused of breaching a contract, intentional interference with contractual relations, and other claims. The biopic of King Richard. Will Smith is currently filming the biopic of Richard Williams and how he coached Serena and Venus to become a superstar. As the well-known star himself is taking the role of Richard in the film set to release in 2021. However, as the pandemic hit us all, the production was on hold temporarily. In the lawsuit done by the two companies says that this case presents an unfortunate and thwarty situation. The cold and calculating misappropriation and interference with plaintiff's intellectual property. Plaintiff's good faith and contractual protected efforts are to bring an amazing story into visual art form were met with defendants' greed and disregard for plaintiff's existing rights. According to the company, Richard is the author of the book called Black and White: The Way I See It, a memoir of his extraordinary life published back in 2014. The suits say that on February 15, 2017, he gave limited power of attorney to his son, Kavoy Taliesin, for the dealing of film and media rights of the book. They even said how they worked on a deal with his son to buy his life and memoir rights. In July 2018, while they were trying to pitch in the story, TW3 had a meeting with Warner Brothers who were interested in Richard's story. And they even told Richard's son about it. The second meeting took place in October with Warner Brothers representatives to make a deal. However, in January 2019, they called plaintiffs to tell them that Warner Brothers was not interested in the biopic, only to find out 2 months later that they had contracted Richard's son making a deal with him. Richard's son had told plaintiffs that they can do mini-series but no films. The furious plaintiffs demanded an explanation to find out that they had paid over $1 million to Richard, and a couple of months later found out that Will Smith is starring in the biopic. They even say how they tried to resolve the issue before the production but were unsuccessful.